Good day everyone. Do you feel trapped in South Africa? I have realized that many people within South Africa are still trying to find their South African identity. Where do they fit in? How do you feel about this country? And I've done a poll on this channel. I put out the poll just a short while ago where I asked 4 questions. And people can then comment in the section below this poll where you can say how you feel about your situation. Now, many people have left South Africa already or in the process of actively leaving South Africa. They have a way out and they are busy going through that process. It can take up to a year or 2 to even achieve that, depending on where you want to go. And then there's people that feel trapped here that would leave if they can, and they are actively trying to find ways of leaving. Then there are people that just feel trapped. They don't know how to get out. They don't see a way out, but they aren't happy to be here. Then there are people that absolutely love this country, get along with everyone around them, even through the hardships, and try and make things work. And these people normally have a very positive outlook of what is happening within the country. And I have actively asked people from around the world that used to live in South Africa to return to the country. And there's many reasons for this that I've discussed before. And you know, I've received a lot of flack for saying that South Africa is one of the freest countries on the planet. Actually, I believe it is the freest country on the planet and the safest from many things that can happen in the rest of the world. So take part in this poll. I'll put the link in the description below this video as well as in the first comment. You can go to the posts tab or the old community tab on the channel, and then you will find that poll there, and take part in the poll and comment underneath and tell me in that poll how you feel about the fact that you're a South African, or if you've left the country. Are you happy that you have left? What if you found different about the country that you're in now? Many people are leaving South Africa out of pure desperation for financial needs, that they don't feel they have opportunities in this country. And I would like to hear your comments. I'm not going to judge anyone that wants to leave the country. I do want to encourage people to stay. And the reason why I do this is because I have an outlook on the future of the world that involves South Africa, and I believe that this is one of the best places where you can make your future after we've overcome many of the hardships that we are going through right now. Thanks so much for being on this channel, for watching this video, for watching all the other videos. Thank you to everyone that are channel supporters, channel members that keep us going and help us do this work. I really want to thank you for all your support since the channel started in 2020. And I want to tell you that I'm going to put in my best effort to bring you information that can help you make decisions in your life. So that you can make decisions around staying in South Africa or deciding for yourself whether you should actually leave, even if it's for a short while, for financial reasons or whatever the case may be, but so that you can know the cues to come back here in future. Know that this can be a safe haven in future, even when it looks very dire or difficult right now. Thank you so much. Till the next video.